Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to create fillable job application from in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's get started. Firstly, I will prepare this from into the Microsoft Word. Let's start. Firstly, I will upload job application from sample. Go to insert menu, image. Now this from put into the header. Now remove the header. Go to the insert menu and header and click the remove header. Now this from convert into the PDF. Go to the file menu, save as and browse file format PDF and save. Now this form is automatically import into the PDF document. Now go to the tools menu and click the prepare from start. Now check the text field option is automatically created. Now you can add or modify this text field option. Just click the text field option and draw the text field box. Now add the date field and number field. Just remove the date field text box and add the text field option and add the number field. Right click on the text field option and properties, format, number, decimal, 0 and current symbol flat. Add the image field option, click the image field icon and draw the image field box. Signature field is automatically created. Now check the from. You can add just text field box. Just click the text field option and draw the text field box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.